Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. This is gonna be me answering the assumptions about me. So, well, you will hear the assumptions that people have of me, and I'll be stating whether or not they're true or not. So without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright, so basically what I ended up doing is to make a Google Forms sheet, and I sent that also to some persons, and this is what it looks like. Basically, I just asked assumptions about me. What are your assumptions about me? And I gave them a slot to write at least 2 if in case they wanted to write 2, but it wasn't mandatory. So now we're going to be looking at what are the assumptions that people have of me. Alright, so the first person says that you are unassuming, and pretty much it means that I'm not arrogant, I am modest, I'm not pretentious. And I'd say, yeah, I'm unassuming for real. I'd say I am an unassuming person. Yeah. Alright, so you love people. Of course I do. I love people. I'm a people's person. Even though I'm shy and sometimes prefer to be on my own, I still do love people, and I hold them dear to my heart. Alright, next one. You're in a happy, long-standing relationship. I wish. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not in a relationship. I'm single. Yeah. You're a perfectionist. I'd say somewhat. I like things to be done properly and without mistake. So yeah, I guess in a way, yes, I'm a perfectionist. Next one. You really regret have done sub for sub because you're almost at 1K but aren't getting enough views and watch time. Yeah, pretty much. And to be honest, not a lot of my subscribers were actually sub for sub, and it's not necessarily sub for sub. What I did was to join, hearing the advice of different YouTubers and them telling you to go and join Facebook groups. Pretty much these Facebook groups, even though they're called support groups, and they're supposed to be helping you out with views and subscribers and all of that, it doesn't work like that. Pretty much those on those groups are actually sub for subbing, and that's what I ended up doing, not realizing that I was actually doing sub for sub, because I was going in there with the right intention, but people there aren't there for the right reasons. They're there just to get the views. They want the views and the subscribers, but they're not giving that. So yeah, you will never do YouTube full-time because you love teaching. I think you're right. I will never do YouTube full-time. I do love teaching, yes, but I wouldn't say I'm going to not do YouTube full-time because I love teaching. You know, it would be for some other reason, but I love teaching, yes, but yeah. All right, number 4, well, not number 4, the 4th person. You are very creative, organized, and go-getter. I admire how you set your goals and achieve them. Oh, thank you. And I'd say, yeah, I'm kind of creative. My sister always kind of cusses me because she thinks that I don't give myself enough credit. But when you just feel that way, you just feel so you're not as creative as others. It kind of, you know, I'm very organized. I love organization. I think I have a weak spot for organization. I love to organize things. I love when things are just it's just cute to me. I just love it. But yes, it's definitely true. Before I got to know you, I always think you are very boasty and show off. I'm not boasty at all, but I guess this person actually realized how great I am. I'm not boasty at all. But yeah, 5th person said, I think you are very playful. Very much so. My love ramp. Everybody know me. I'm not yet past my childish stage, and I don't think I'm ever gonna be past it until I'm probably dead. It's never gonna go anywhere. Just my personality. I love to play. everybody know me. I have a very childish personality. I love playing games and you know those foo-foo game. I'm still love Dolly. I still love Dolly. I still love teddy bear and all of those things. So that it's just not gonna go anywhere. All right, next person says, I assume that you are crazy but funny. I am crazy. I don't know the funny parts, but I try to be. I'm not that funny, but I am crazy. A lot of crazy. I got a lot of craziness. I assume that you are scared of the dark. I'm not scared of the dark actually. I'm not scared of the dark, but I don't like nighttime that much. If you get what I mean. When nighttime come, I can't sleep. I wouldn't say I'm scared of the dark. I'm not scared of the dark anymore. I used to be when I was smaller, I think, but I'm not scared of the dark now. So yeah. Number 7, you want to be famous. Actually, no. I don't necessarily want to be famous. I want my videos to be watched, yes, but I don't want a fame where the minute I step out of my house, I'm bombarded by people. I don't necessarily think I would want that. Get what I mean? So I don't want to be at a point where I can't live my life normally. Yeah. You wish you could go back to natural hair. No, not at all. To me, I look better with my cream hair than my natural hair. I have very coarse hair, so my natural hair pretty much it was every time that wash we go anywhere, it shrink, it can't comb, it just always look just puffy, and gel can't hold it. So no, I don't miss my natural hair at all. Not at all. All right, so the next one is, I have 2 long ones, guys. These are very long. First, thought. You are funny, energetic, easygoing, down to earth, and allows for everyone around you to be comfortable. Someone who knows how to have a good time and make the best of some of the most unfortunate situations. True that. The live and love type. Though shy, very friendly and nice. You kind of look miserable. Still, my final words, you are the bomb.com. I don't know who said this, but that's so sweet. Thank you. This is so nice. And pretty much I agree with all of these. I am definitely, well, kind of funny-ish, but I'm energetic. I would say I'm easygoing, down to earth, and all of that. I am definitely miserable at times. Sometimes, yeah. So yeah, I'd say these are pretty good assumptions. All right, critical response. You are altruistic, artistic, and innovative. I believe you love hard and have sought to provide a safe space for others to be themselves without the fear of being judged. That's definitely me. You embody the traits of a caring mother and kind-hearted friend. Yes, I'd say that. I definitely say that. You are filled with rich enthusiasm and a personality that welcomes others into the body of Christ without you even speaking a message. Guys, that says a lot. I don't know about y'all, but that says a lot to me. It's a lot. It says a lot. Alright, then there is the reserved, shy side that adds to your genuineness, and this is I am of the view many with the same traits are able to use to draw motivation from you. K, and the K means kind, authentic, youthful. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Person write this, come like on the mom for crying. Why do it? It's nice. I love this, and I feel, yeah, I totally agree with all of those assumptions. This place. So yeah. All right, you're a lady. Next person says you're a lady. Yeah. A woman of God who stands firmly in what she believes. You're you, authentic and unique. Yeah, definitely me. Next one, you're always happy. I wouldn't say always, but most times I'll try to be. But yeah. I'm always happy to be around you, always smiling, speaking positively and with purpose. I love you for all you are and all you're not. I wish we did actually tell them to actually tell me how to write these because they're so cute. I like them. These are nice. These are nice. Thank you. All right, next assumption: you show off, uptight, taken. All right, so I'm not show off. I'm not uptight at all, and I'm not taken. I am single, as I said. Y'all don't need to rub it in, but I'm single. Have been for many years. All right, so next one, confident and bright person inside and out. Confident somewhat. Yeah, I'm kind of confident sometimes, most of the times, but because of my shyness sometimes it goes away, the confidence. But I'm a bright person inside and out. Thank you. Rich kid, huh? Not at all. I work for the things I have, work a 9-to-5 job for the things that I have to save for the things that I have. So no, I am not rich. All right, next one: people think you high but you are really humble. Thank you. All right, so yes, that's true. You don't want kids. No, giving you the story about this. Actually I do want kids, right? But there's sometimes that I cannot. There was a time, I actually can say, that I said to myself I don't want kids, but I do actually. I've changed my mind actually. I want a pair of twins, or just a girl and a boy, or 2 girls. I don't know. I want the most 3 kids. The most. To be honest, you're a really nice person. You have to put it the nice person. I hope to have a good friendship with you one day. I don't know who you are, but I am willing to have a nice friendship with you. I love meeting new friends. I love having new friends, you know, so I'm down. If you're watching this, then hit me up. We can be friends. Yeah. You're a pastor's kid. Yes. And you're a mom. Not yet. Well, not biologically. I am not a mom biologically, but I have many kids. My students that I call my kids, and I have my church kids that are my kids. So I got kids, but not mine. But yeah. You love making YouTube videos. This is so true. I love YouTube videos from the day I started until now. I love YouTube videos. I love making them. I have like over 200 videos on YouTube, so that shows how much. That shows you how much I actually love to make YouTube videos. You want to be a big YouTuber in the future. I wouldn't say big, but I don't want to be a small YouTuber forever. You know what I mean? So I want to be at a place where I have like probably about 20,000, or I'd say the most I'd want is like 100K or somewhere there, you know, subscribers. But I don't want to be one of those very big, but I don't want to be small forever. Yeah. All right, well, for me, you're a down-to-earth, easygoing, fun person to be around, and funny at times, and make people feel welcome and happy. Guys, it's really nice hearing these things, because you know, you don't know when people actually think those things about you, yet still they actually do. And this is from more than one person, so y'all know they ain't lying. All right, so you're moody at times, but I noticed that you and your sister and your family always have a good vibe and great time, and you love to do videos and cook and do hair, makeup, and other fun stuff. Very true. Very true. My moody at times, it's true. Sometimes I'd be up happy and all, and then one time at another time I might feel down. But it's just life, you know. Sometimes when you think too hard on some things, it can kind of bring your mood down, and that's what happens a lot of times, because I think a lot about life and about things going on around me. So when I do think about those things, it kind of gets my mood down. Okay guys, so apparently 2 of those were actually repeated, so yeah, that was the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was kind of fun, kind of finding out your assumptions about me and all of that. It was really nice to hear what you guys think of me, so thank you guys so much for responding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, share with your friends, comment something down below, comment an assumption of me if you did not hear it in this video, and let me know what else you guys think of me. It was really nice to know, whether it be bad or good. Comment it down below. Also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell. People, you have to click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.